Today, we've got some exciting news about the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're a fan of the sleek, but sometimes uncomfortable design of the S24 Ultra, you're going to love what Samsung has in store. Let's dive into the leaked details. So, it seems that Samsung is making some changes to the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. A recently leaked image, courtesy of the trusted leaker Ice Universe, gives us a closer look at the front design of the upcoming flagship. One big change? The edges of the S25 Ultra will be slightly curved, unlike the sharp edges of the S24 Ultra that some users complained about digging into their hands. This tweak should make the phone more comfortable to hold, while still keeping that premium, iconic look. Now, what about those rounded corners? They should make the S25 Ultra a lot easier to handle, especially for those of us who found the previous model a bit too boxy. The phone's side rails also appear less pronounced, with asymmetrical sides that are flatter on the front and more curved at the back. This could significantly improve the in-hand feel, making it more ergonomic without losing that signature Samsung style. Could this be the best smartphone of 2025? It's certainly shaping up that way. Speaking of design, Ice Universe also leaked tempered glass for all three models in the Galaxy S25 lineup. While the design language across the lineup is more unified, the S25 Ultra stands out with its softer, rounder edges. This might be Samsung's way of keeping both camps happy, those who love the bulky, sharp design of the S24 Ultra and those who prefer a more comfortable grip. But let's not stop at design. The S25 Ultra is rumored to have some jaw-dropping specs. According to leaks, it'll boast a 6.8-inch QHD display with a 1440 by 3120 pixel resolution. That means stunning visuals for everything from watching 4K videos to gaming. And yes, we're expecting a 120Hz refresh rate, so you can enjoy super smooth scrolling and animations. Pair that with Gorilla Glass protection for extra durability, and you've got a phone that looks great and holds up against everyday wear and tear. Now, let's talk about the camera system. The S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a 200-megapixel AI-powered main camera. That's right, 200 megapixels. This would set a new standard for smartphone photography, delivering incredibly detailed shots in any lighting condition. Whether you're snapping pictures on a night out or capturing landscapes, the S25 Ultra's camera is expected to blow your mind. Battery life is another area where Samsung looks to excel. The S25 Ultra is likely to come with a 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring you can get through your day without constantly reaching for the charger. Plus, with 45-watt fast charging, you can power up from 0 to 100% in around 55 minutes, perfect for those of us always on the go.